Overtaking a slow driver often feels necessary when behind the wheel, but when should you avoid it? On a bend. Overtaking on a bend is extremely dangerous as you can't see what's around the corner. On hills have blind spots where you can't see over the crest, so overtaking should be avoided. During bad weather, rain, wind and fog make overtaking much more hazardous as visibility is compromised. On narrow roads, overtaking on a narrow road increases the risk of a collision. Even if road markings allow it, you should think twice before overtaking in these circumstances. When overtaking cyclists, you must leave a gap of 1.5 meters. This increases to 2 meters for horse riders and pedestrians. When there is a no overtaking sign, a circular sign with a black and red car alongside each other means it is illegal to overtake. When the center line is a solid white line. If the center line is a solid white line, it means overtaking is not allowed. At junctions. When approaching a junction, you should not overtake because vehicles may pull into your path. Near pedestrian crossings, where people are likely to be crossing the road, it is too dangerous to overtake. If your windscreen has become damaged for any reason, the windscreen company is here to help. We offer a wide range of windscreen repair and replacement services and will get you moving again in just 30 minutes. Operating across the West Midlands and the South East, contact our team today to book an appointment.